Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to fix a common problem with Mercedes W163, which is the ML. And we're going to show you how to fix your low range. Okay, one thing about it, the motor goes out sometimes and it might even get stuck between high and low, and you won't be even able to move because you'll be stuck in the middle and your transfer case will not be working. So when you start the vehicle, and right here that's the low range, it's blinking, it shouldn't be, okay? And if you try to put it in neutral now, and after that you just try to hit the low range, and it should blink a few times and stay on, but ours doesn't. It doesn't work. So stay with us to see how we're going to fix it, how we're going to replace the little motor, and what tools you need. Thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, we have a used motor out of a parts car, so we'll be using this one, and now we're going to show you how to replace it. Okay guys, now we're underneath the vehicle, and that's where your transfer case is, and that's where the little motor is located as well. So you need to remove 4 bolts altogether. Once we remove it, we'll show you exactly where they are. We got them loose so we can save you time. All of them, all 4. This one on the back there is with a 10mm socket. Okay, just take it off all the way. And the other 3, one there, one right there, and one on top of this one, is with a 10mm as well. So all 4 of them. And after that you have the wire that you need to remove. It's very limited room, guys, trying to show you here how you can do that and save you some money instead of going to the dealer and spending a ridiculous amount of money. You can even buy the motors brand new on eBay. They have aftermarket ones that work pretty good. We used them in the past and there is no problem with them at all. We have one on another Mercedes installed. It has about 60,000 miles after we installed it and it's still working good. Okay, right there, and that's the last one that we need to remove. So we have 3 long bolts, okay, right there, and 1 short one on the back. So this is the last one right now. Okay, and now you pull it out. Okay, watch now. They get stuck sometimes pretty good, so you need to kind of like grab it and it comes out of the. Okay, now you need to unhook the wire, press down and pull. And this is the motor, guys. This is the one that doesn't work. Okay, now we need to clean all the silicone right there. Clean it good. Use some kind of solvent to clean and not be greasy. Okay, now we need to get silicone gasket maker right there and just apply a thin layer all around that circle housing right there. Okay, now all you need to do is connect the wire first and just install the 4 bolts. And stay with us, we're going to check if it works. Okay guys, we replaced it, now we're going to go ahead and start it. And as you can see, the light is not blinking at all. And now even if we try to put it in neutral, everything should be good. Okay, watch now. It's blinking 3 times I think, and it stays on, which means that we're in low range right now. Okay, right there. And now you just turn it off and it should go off. Okay, you can even hear it changing gears. So that's how you fix it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.